It's the first day for a new cohort of student engineers here at CSU Engineering. And as always, we commence with a Rube Goldberg machine. The task for this year's machine is to cut a cake. It's our academic integrity cake where we're going to celebrate 500 days academic integrity incident free with our cohort. And so they're going to have to string together an overly complex set of steps that will achieve the cutting of that cake. This year, we've set some compulsory elements for the machine. It must include the Sturt University logo. It's a bit of a branding exercise, but it's important that it's there and it can be used in many ways. The second requirement is music. It's a conceptual requirement, so it could actually be instruments or it could be parts of the machine that make music as they operate. It doesn't really matter how, as long as that theme is there. This year we've also asked for our student engineers to incorporate something from last year's machine. Practicing engineers very seldom get a blank page on which they can start whatever they like. Usually they're constrained by the legacy of the choices of their predecessors, pieces of the design that are already done, consequences of that design, or design decisions that have already been taken. And so what we're asking them to do is to acknowledge that their real practice won't be on a blank page, but will inherit from their predecessors. And so they're to reuse some of last year's machine. Welcome to Eng 160. Now you may have heard that this subject's about a Rube Goldberg machine. Rube Goldberg machines are the opposite of everything that we do here at Sturt University. They are engineering as being about the technology, and it's not, right? Good engineering is about people. Good design is human-centered. Good Rube Goldberg machines are about the most complex, detailed, technology-oriented answer you can have to a simple human problem. Right? So for the next 2 weeks, we're going to temporarily suspend everything that we value, right? And build a Rube Goldberg machine instead.
Buttons and flexi board for the CSU logo, and it's not doing anything. Should
So like have it like...
Yeah, have it through the middle here somewhere.
Yeah. Third attempt. Initiating.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, yes.
Time. 10:03. Attempt.
Oh no. So that's going to be a bit short. That's a problem.
We can always use duct tape or something.
Go. Beautiful.
Explain.
Oh, the marble goes down the track.
Go.
No, it doesn't.
Test 2.
That's one, you mean?
Test 2.
That's one.
Okay, just go. Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Bam! That was close.
As long as it works. How much time we got?
Good afternoon everybody and welcome to Rube Goldberg Day for 2018. My name is Ewan Lindsay and I'm the head of school here at CSU Engineering. It is an absolute delight to welcome you all here to the CSU Engineering building and to have you be part of the Rube Goldberg Day. A Rube Goldberg machine is an overly complicated solution to a simple problem. We use it as an introduction to engineering, as a way to have a tangible product, as a way to have a challenge that our incoming student engineer cohort can work together to resolve. So they can learn that engineering is a team sport, that their outcomes do depend on each other, that it isn't just me doing my thing, that we need to work together to make things happen. Are we ready to go? Yeah! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.